Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to get started with MyBitStore. Okay, so someone will be asking, what is MyBitStore about? MyBitStore is a crypto exchange app or crypto exchange platform, just like Binance, OKX, Bybit and the rest. Okay, so without wasting my time, I'm going to take you through the registration process and everything you need to know about the MyBitStore app. Okay, so first of all, you go to my app store. Okay, so you open your app store, then you search for MyBitStore. So MyBitStore. Okay, you wait for it to load. It's over here. Okay, so as you can see, I've already downloaded it. Okay, I've already downloaded it, so it says open. After opening, since you don't have an account yet, you just tap on this profile button over here. You tap on create account. Okay, so you're going to provide your credentials. Okay, you're going to provide your credentials. So I'm inputting my email address. Okay, so you input your email address. Okay, then you're going to request for a verification code. Okay, so you tap on get code. Okay, so as you can see, my verification code is 805512. So 805512. Okay, I'm going to enter my mobile number. Okay, so if in case you were referred by someone, you just enter the person's referral code over here. But if not, you just skip this part. Okay, yeah, so it will ask you how you heard about this particular platform. So you can just say maybe TikTok or any other options provided, depending on where you got the information about. Okay, so you just tap on any of this. After that, you tap on sign up. Okay, so in this case, you are going to select a username. Okay, so you are going to select a username. It says cannot start with capital letter. Okay, so you just use a small letter. So let's see if this will go through. Okay, since it didn't give me any warning, it means it will go through. So let me pick my password and continue. Okay, password is also true. Let me input my full name. Okay, full name is also true. Then you tap on confirm. You wait for it to load. So it says account creation registration successful. Okay, so you wait for it to load. As you can see, the account is ready now, and we have the deposit button, the withdrawal button, the bulk trade, and the invite. Okay, so in case you want to invite a friend to gain some income, you tap on this button, you copy your link, then you share it to the person. Or if the person is on WhatsApp, you just tap on invite on WhatsApp. It will send it to WhatsApp directly. Okay, so I'm going to leave the link in the description for whoever wants to register, and you can start from there. Okay, so there's a current price of BTC, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and a whole lot. Okay, so I'm going to take you through the P2P trade, or how you are going to buy BTC or USDT on the same platform. Okay, so you are going to tap on deposit. when it comes, you're going to select the second option. It says P2P trade. You tap on continue. Also, you have to select the asset you are going to buy, whether being Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Solana, Litecoin, Dash, USDC, USDT, or PayPal USD. Okay, so let's go in for USDT. Okay, I'm going to select the network as well. So under the USDT, let's just select Solana. Okay, since it's the recommended one. So yeah, in case you are depositing from a crypto wallet, you copy this address over here. You make sure you select the same address on the other hand where you are depositing from. Okay, then you just make the transfer. Okay, but in case you want to buy on the same platform, you just tap on P2P. As you can see, it's giving offers available right now. So let's say you are buying USDT or Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin, then you enter the amount. Let's say 100 cedis. Unfortunately, there is no offers available. But I think as time goes on, there will be offers available since there's a new platform. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and let me know about what you think in the